Hello everyone, I hope you are all well, and since we all have to stay at home in this period of time, I thought that some of you might want to exploit the time to study some English, and this is why I'm going to show you in this video how you can use some online resources to practice your English skills. As you can see here, there is a file which I also posted on your Dropbox. And on this file you can find some links that might be useful for you. I'm going to show you one by one how they work and how you can practice your English by using the resources we have here. Let's start with the first one. Now, the first one is about grammar, as you can see, and some exercises with video explanations and exercises that you can carry out. So what you have to do is to copy the link and to paste it on the internet, and you will get to this page here. You have some grammar animations, which are videos that explain the grammar, and then you have the extra practice exercises, which you can use for practicing the grammar you saw in the videos. I'm going to show you very briefly one example. Click on grammar animations. Unfortunately, we have the titles in Italian here, but it doesn't matter. This is a book designed for Italian English students, so you just have to choose from the Italian titles what you need. For example, the past tense. As you can see, you can find many videos that explain the past tenses, past simple, regular verbs, irregular verbs, and so on. So if you want to revise some of the grammar and you can't remember how to use a tense, this is the site you can go to. If you go back, you can click on extra practice exercises. And again, I'm going to choose just one here. As you can see, you have worksheets that you can fill in. Unfortunately, you cannot fill in the tasks online, but you have to print, or you might write your answers on a separate piece of paper if it's difficult for you to print at home now. And of course, you can send me some exercises at any time if you want me to correct them. Okay, let's go back to the second link we have here. We have the BBC Learning English platform. Again, copy the link and paste it. And you will get to this website here, which is a great platform for studying English because you have many different options here. You have the courses, features, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and so on. For example, if you choose a course, you might want to select your level. I would say that you choose intermediate as a level, which is the level which is appropriate for you. And you find many sessions about so many different topics. You can explore them a little bit and you can find out what you want to do. I'm just going to click on the first one here, and as you can see, all the units appear here. So once you have completed one activity, you can go on to the next one. This one is about vocabulary, for example, but you can explore all the courses and you find so many different things to do there. It is a great website if you want to practice all types of skills here. Okay, let me go back to the next one. This is again about BBC, but one specific one I wanted to show you. BBC 6 Minutes English. Again, copy the link and paste it, and then you will get to this site here. BBC 6 Minutes English are very short radio programs, usually two people speaking, about many different topics, as you can see here. And they last 6 minutes. And if you choose one, for example, Women in Politics, let's just take one to see how it works. You can always play the program if you press this button here, and the program will start. So you will be able to listen to the program, and it begins with this week's question. So it always has a question that you can answer while you listen, and some words that you're going to explore while you listen, and then you have the transcript. So while you listen, you can read exactly what people say, which makes it easier to understand. It's a chance if you don't have that much time. It lasts 6 minutes and the topics are really interesting. Okay. The next one is online books for all types of exercises. Again, if you copy the link and you paste it, you get to another page, which is this one here. You have to log in here in order to be able to access to the online books. You have the credentials on your file. So if you go back to the file, here you have the credentials. The email address, you can copy that. And the password, which is Libre 2020. You can type the password in or simply paste it again. And once you have done that, you can access the website. What you have to do now is to filter and choose English for secondary school, scuola secondaria di secondo grado, and then you'll have the filter here and find the books which are okay for your level. These are books that are similar to the one we are using in class. If you take one, you will see that you get to the online version of this book. Of course, it's a normal textbook, it's quite long, and you have many different reading and listening exercises, texts that you can read just in any book. But what is interesting is that you can go to the extra resources here. If you click here, Übung, and you have, for every unit, you have exercises that you can access online. If you open up a page, the good thing is that here, in this case, you can do it online, so you don't have to print anything, and then you can check your answers. Now I just did something randomly, and you can see the correct answers will appear in green and the wrong ones in red. There are some other exercises in which you have to fill in the words, but you can get the answers there, and it's quite easy to study this way because you don't have to email me what you did every time, and it makes it more straightforward for you. All right. Finally, I'm going to explain to you how to work with the online workbook of Our Book Gateway. For students of second form, this might not be so interesting to listen to because we have seen how it works at school. We have activated the code. For students of first form, I'm going to make an extra video in which I will explain how to access the online workbook. All right, that's all for now. I hope that you enjoy studying English online and wish you all the best for now. Bye!